Welcome back to my 30-day series, SQL in 30. Today is day 13, so we're going over having versus where. And believe it or not, this is a beginner level skill that a lot of advanced analysts still get confused about, so pay attention. So why are there two clauses for filtering data? The having clause and the where clause can both be used to filter your data. The difference is that the where clause filters individual rows before you do any grouping, and the having clause filters groups after they've been created with group by. So for example, I have a table here called customer orders. And let's say that I want to pull all of the columns for orders that are over $50. So this is a pretty straightforward question. I'm going to select all of my columns from the customer orders table. And I need to filter my total amount column to be greater than 50. I'm not doing any grouping here, so I can just use where to filter my data. And when I run this, there is my filtered data. Now let's say that I want to see customers who spent more than $200 total. So there's a couple of things that I need to do here. I'm just going to select the customer name, and since I want each customer's total spend amount, I'm going to also select the sum of the total amount field, and I'll apply an alias. I'm taking this data from the customer orders table, and I need to group by customer name because I want the sum of each customer's total spend. The last step here is to filter to only see customers who spent more than $200 total. So I've already grouped my data by customer name, so I'm not just filtering individual rows, I'm filtering groups. So that means that I need to use having to filter my data. So I'll say having the sum of the total amount greater than 200. And when I run this, I get each customer's name who spent more than $200 in total and their total spend. So in summary, if you want to filter before you group your data, use where. And if you want to filter after you group your data, use having. In my next video, we'll dive deeper into aliases, so make sure to follow so you don't miss it.